One of the things about the Insta360 Go is being able to use it as part of a toolkit, perhaps along with the One X too. So that's what this video is about. This one going on the trip to Ironbridge, where it starts off with Insta360 Go footage and then ends up with the One X. And one of the good things about the Go is that it's really good in marginal weather. So the One X only got out when it was a little bit sunnier. But anyway, judge for yourself and see whether the Go fits in with your workflow. It's a grey and wet day and we are heading off on our adventures. And we are off to Ironbridge today, eh Liv?
Yeah.
Yeah, and so that is in Shropshire and it is the cradle of the Industrial Revolution, which is what Liv is studying at school at the moment. So, we're off. Join us on our journey. So it's taken us all day to get here, but we're finally here at Ironbridge Gorge, the Severn Gorge, also known as Coalbrookdale, with the world's first cast iron bridge. And zip, we're back in London again. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you found it interesting and useful, then thinking about how you use the Go with your One X if you have them both, or if you're thinking about buying a Go, hopefully this has been helpful. Cheers, give it a like if you like the video and consider subscribing too. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Here's some of the videos that I've done that you might also find interesting. Cheers and go well.